Investors are shifting away from long-term US bonds. The recent 5-year auction is showing us that bondholders are afraid of lending Bessent money for more than a few years at the most. Yields on the 30-year is flying up, while the 5-year is staying steady. It's a clear sign that trust is eroding. Growth expectations are down, while higher inflation expectations are going up. People are starting to realize that these trade negotiations could take years, which is the more realistic outcome. Plus, the deficit is only going to balloon from the big, beautiful bill. Now, you would think that Bessent would promise to rein in the deficit, to promise the world that the US will be spending less, but he did the exact opposite. Now, he made two statements that are really disingenuous, and the first is saying that the deficit is already lower than last year and will continue to decline over the next 4 years. Now, something smells here. According to the bipartisan policy deficit tracker, it still looks like the 2025 deficit thus far is larger in this financial year than the previous one. It's over $1 trillion cumulative in April versus 860 billion over the same period last year. And the data came from the Treasury itself plus the CBO. Did Bessent really do his numbers right? And that's not all. Our good friend said that the deficit will continue to decline over the next 4 years. How is he serious? How is he going to do that with the big beautiful bill that's coming? He will be forced to issue hundreds of billions more in treasury bonds, and that's stacking more burden to the national debt. And there's no guarantee that revenue from the tariffs or additional growth will pan out.